Hey Don, here's a quick video to show you how to set up your custom sales orders and then how to link them up to your manufacturers. You'll notice that I'm logged in as Acme Medical Distro, which is the equivalent of your Alliance Spine login. So all you do once you get in there is you're going to go over to account information and then go down to the bottom here where it says manage custom sales orders and click that, and it's going to bring up this screen here. And what I'm going to do is work on Widget Medical. This is just our fake distributor that we have set up. So Widget Medical is a manufacturer that we fake represent. So this would be like Custom Spine or whatever, and I just name these the same name as the manufacturer. What you're going to do though is you'll go to create custom sales order, and you'll get this screen right here. But really, it's the same screen as if I just go in here and show you this one that's already filled out. So you put in the title. I use like I said, the manufacturer's name. You upload the logo file. You can just clip that right off of the internet. I normally go to the company's website, clip that off, save it to my desktop, and then upload it. And then you can put in the manufacturer's address and their remit to. And then these are the fields that you use if anything is missing on the implant-based sales order from the manufacturer sales order. So if you look at the custom spine sales order, and let's say it has a field called specialty and the implant-based one doesn't, then you can just go in here and add it in. These two fields right here, label 9 and label 10, allow for a big box. So if you had a bunch of information to put in for a custom field, you would use those. Otherwise, if you leave these blank, they just won't show up on the sales order. So once you've done that, of course, you hit save. And then the next step is really easy. You just go to manage organizations, and you're going to start out with the screen. It's going to look like this. It's going to say all types, so you're going to have all of your organizations. I just make it easy and hit represented manufacturers. And then I go and I find Widget Medical, or you'd find Custom Spine or whatever. Click that. And what you'll see here is on the third line, you'll see sales order. And you'll notice of the custom sales orders I had, here are my 3 choices. So I just pick Widget Medical and hit save. And then you're done. It pretty much, at that point, it's got everything set up so that when you go over and log in, say as Julio or whatever, and I'll just show you real quick what it looks like. So if I go into a case that's already been completed, and I go and say here, you'll see that that once I generate a sales order and I click on that, what it's going to do is it's going to open up the sales order, and you'll see here at the bottom, well, this one didn't do it, but right down here at the bottom is where those custom fields would actually show up for you in the information box. Let me see if I can find you one that actually works. Bear with me a second. There you can see at the bottom it has the information, specialty, remember, shoe size, favorite ice cream, all that stuff. So if I typed anything in right here on manufacturer information, those special fields that you entered in, they actually show up right here. So I'm just going to type house and hit save, and then you'll notice that if I go back over here and I open that sales order back up, now you'll see down here it says specialty house. Okay, so anyway, that's how it works. Give me a call, or actually give me shoot me an email. I'll be on vacation tomorrow through Tuesday, but I'll be answering email and I'll be available. I'm just going to be hanging out up in Colorado with my family. I hope you have a good one, and I hope that helped out. Thanks a lot.